Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Weasley House is probably one of the most iconic and beloved locations from the Harry Potter universe, and this incredible Lego set allows fans to bring a piece of that magic right into their homes, meticulously recreating the charming, quirky, and colorful exterior of the Weasley family's beloved home with an astonishing level of detail that fans of all ages will appreciate and enjoy building together. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built replica is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Unbox a detailed cafe studio and bring your favorite characters to life. With Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, you can recreate unforgettable scenes. This 1070-piece set offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's the perfect gift for any fan of the show, whether you build solo or with loved ones. This set is compatible with all LEGO construction toys. Mix and match bricks and characters to create your own unique stories and mash-up models. Standing over 4 inches high, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office, showcasing your fandom. What we like. If you're a die-hard Friends fan, this set is a must-have. It perfectly captures the iconic Central Perk Cafe with all the beloved characters. If you love rewatching the show and want a piece of that nostalgia, this is the one for you. What people say. The Weasley House is incredibly detailed, capturing the magical and chaotic charm of the movie. It features many iconic rooms and elements from the books and films, like the kitchen and the Burrow's wonky exterior. The set includes a good selection of minifigures, all well-designed and recognizable characters from the series. Number 4. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Moment, Potions Class 76383. Step into Professor Snape's Potions classroom, recreated in stunning detail. This magical playset unfolds to reveal a world of wizarding adventure. Join Draco Malfoy, Seamus Finnegan, and the formidable Professor Snape. You'll also find a potion book, blackboard, and a secret chamber for endless exploration. Lift the cover and dive into potion-making practice. Discover all the equipment needed to brew up some magic, and uncover a hidden secret chamber. Designed for ages 8 and up, this set offers a new way to experience the Harry Potter universe. It's ideal for aspiring witches and wizards seeking adventure. Measuring over 5 inches high, it's the perfect size for on-the-go play. When not in use, it looks great displayed on a bookshelf. What we like. For young Harry Potter enthusiasts, this portable playbook offers a magical experience on the go. If you're looking for a compact set that brings the wizarding world to life with interactive elements like a secret chamber, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Weasley House LEGO set is incredibly detailed, capturing the whimsical and slightly chaotic nature of the house from the movies. It features numerous iconic rooms and elements, such as the kitchen with its magical cooking utensils and the cozy living room with the fireplace. The set includes a great selection of minifigures, including all the main Weasley family members and other beloved characters, each with unique accessories. Number 3. LEGO Mos Eisley Cantina Building Set. Bring the iconic Mos Eisley Cantina to life with this incredible building set. It features a removable roof for easy access and includes attachable buildings and iconic vehicles. Immerse yourself in the Cantina's atmosphere with 21 detailed figurines, including beloved characters like Chewbacca and Obi-Wan Kenobi. You'll also find smugglers, bounty hunters, and alien minifigures. Relive your favorite moments from Star Wars: A New Hope. This set allows you to recreate thrilling Cantina scenes with a diverse cast of heroes and characters. When opened, this impressive 3,187-piece set measures over 20.5 inches wide. It's a stunning display piece that looks truly intergalactic. This building kit offers a rewarding DIY project and makes a wonderful gift for any Star Wars enthusiast. It's a great way to escape the stresses of everyday life. With clear, easy-to-follow instructions, even new builders can construct this set with confidence. An illustrated booklet adds extra insight into the set and the movies. What we like. This is the ultimate set for dedicated Star Wars collectors and builders. If you crave an epic building challenge and want to recreate legendary scenes with a vast array of characters, this Mos Eisley Cantina is unparalleled. What people say. The Weasley House is incredibly detailed, capturing the quirky and magical architecture seen in the movies. It features several iconic rooms like the kitchen and the Burrow's living room, each filled with recognizable elements and furniture. The set includes a good selection of minifigures, such as the Weasley family members and other beloved characters, adding great playability. Number 2. LEGO Harry Potter Attack on the Burrow 75980. Step into the magical world of Harry Potter with this iconic set. Recreate thrilling scenes from the beloved films. Experience the dramatic attack on the Weasley family home. This set captures the chaos and excitement of the moment. Discover intricate details that bring the Burrow to life. Every element is designed to be true to the movie's depiction. Play out your favorite scenes with included minifigures of key characters. Join Harry, Ron, and the Weasley family in their adventures. Engage in hours of creative building and imaginative play. This set offers a rewarding building experience for fans of all ages. A must-have addition to any Harry Potter collection. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. What we like? This set brings the chaotic charm of the Weasley family home to life. If you enjoy detailed builds and interactive elements that spark imaginative play, this is a fantastic option for recreating memorable moments from the films. What people say. The Weasley House LEGO set is a fantastic addition to the Harry Potter collection, offering intricate details that fans will appreciate. This set features iconic locations from the movie, including the Burrow's unique architecture and recognizable rooms, making it a joy to build and display. Number 1. LEGO Harry Potter The Burrow 76437. Relive the magic of Harry Potter by building the beloved Weasley House. This detailed set is perfect for adult collectors and fans of the wizarding world. Bring your magical world to life with 10 iconic minifigures. You'll find beloved characters like Ron, Harry, and the entire Weasley family, plus Errol the Owl. Discover enchanting details that capture the essence of the Burrow. Features like the Flynn Network fireplace and magical kitchen add a touch of real magic to your build. Searching for the perfect gift for a Harry Potter enthusiast? This set is an ideal present for adults who love the wizarding world, offering hours of creative fun. Standing over 18 inches tall, this impressive model makes a stunning display piece. Add this magical home to your collection and showcase your fandom. What we like? This is a premium offering for adult collectors looking to expand their Harry Potter display. If you appreciate intricate details, a large cast of characters, and a truly iconic representation of the Weasley home, this set is designed for you. What people say. The Weasley House is incredibly detailed, capturing the magical and chaotic essence of the films. It features numerous iconic rooms and elements from the movies, such as the kitchen, Arthur's workshop, and the Weasley signature wonky architecture. The set includes a great selection of minifigures, including many beloved characters from the Harry Potter series. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.